ready to go? Yeah. So this is our last video. We're going to demonstrate our full system functionality. So do you want to just show everyone the insights? So this is our acetone sensor with ceramic block holding it up and with metal contacts, so you'll read out the resistance of the sensor on the top and the supply power of the heating element on the back. And this is our CO2 sensor detecting deep breaths as well as humidity and temperature for other readings. And if you can see down there, that's our Arduino board, which is a microcontroller controlling all the power supplies and sensor sort of readings and data. So it's down there, the little tiny part. That part is the Bluetooth modules transmitting the data, the sensor readings, and all that. And also, this one here is sort of a power regulator, regulating different power sources. And you see down there, that's our Type-C port. So I can unplug it, and here you go. That's our sort of Type-C port, which is quite state of the art in terms of today's technology. The newest iPhone doesn't even have that. Anyway, so right now we're powering it through a wall plug. So it's very versatile in terms of how we apply it. So we can use a power bank, right, to charge it up. And through our last test, it can last for 4 hours and 9 minutes with a full charge of a power bank. So it lasts a very long time, on par, I would say, with some of the iPhones on the market. Anyway, that's all competitors. Anyway, so here we go. So here it's already transmitting the data. The green one is the acetone sensor's resistance, which is an indicator of the acetone concentration, and the black line is the CO2 sensor.
And what's that unit in?
The units in, sorry, didn't power on. yeah, now it's power on.
Parts per million for CO2?
Yeah, parts per million for CO2, which is on this side, and resistance reading, which is ohms for the acetone sensor. We were going to give to our clients, Krish, to test and calibrate and make sense of the resistance and reference it to actual concentration of acetone concentration, but that will be tomorrow. But anyway, so we're just going to show you some more functionality of our app. So here in the help function, we have different quick starter guide, different sort of operation steps and things to be careful with, like what power source you should use. And I think it will be very beneficial for actual user, also serve as a sort of a starting point. So here is our measurement sort of module where we touch the screen to start, and it has a countdown to heat up sensor, and we'll close the lid and do a testing. But don't worry.
Explain me.
Yeah. Also, yes. So as you can see, the shiny thing here is aluminium foil, and we add this on because of the great sort of heat spread ability. So we did our thermal camera imaging test where we compare the aluminium foil with just plastic bare bone top, and we found that aluminium has a really good heat spread ability, that the maximum temperature after 15 minutes is only 55 degrees. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And with just the plastic, the highest temperature is like 94 degrees, and it's very concentrated right here. So that's why we decided to go with aluminium. So now we're going to close up the lid and do a little bit of testing. So we're going to press here and press go. Now we're going to breathe in. I think there could be some problem with the contact of the CO2
Is that because it's jumping?
Yeah, see
there we
here,
go. There we
see here we go. So when we close the lid, I think one of the wires got pressed a little bit too hard, so that's why. Yeah. So here is the reading of our acetone concentration indicator, right? So, and tap the screen, it will dictate. And yeah, so this is basic concentration. As you can see, there's a distinctive peak here. We couldn't make sense of it just yet, but hopefully we'll find out after more thorough testing. But I think this is what we're trying to aim at the start of the project, and I think we got here in the end. Right, anything else you want to talk about?
That's all she wrote, folks.
Yeah.